Alright, so welcome to Louisiana Gardening Family. Today's episode, today's garden chat, just went and I've been dealing with nasal polyps for the last, I don't know, 8 years. So actually when I first went to the Philippines, it was because of nasal polyps, trying to find somebody that can get them out without physical surgery. It was like this spiritual, I forgot what they call it, but the guy can like stick his hand through your body, but that didn't work. So today I went about 6 o'clock this morning and did my second procedure on the nasal polyps. So for that reason, I'll be kind of taking a back seat to the videos. We already have a few videos lined up, but I'll be taking a back seat to the videos that you'll start seeing next week and the end of this week, after this garden chat. And Beverly, which I'm sure nobody minds because she's so easy on the eyes, she'll be kind of taking the in front of the camera roll for a while because I can't do all the bending and stuff like that. And that brings my garden chat up to speed. I get a lot of messages from people, or we get a lot of messages from people that are couples, and I want you to know that it's okay to let him or to let her do more around the garden, right? So it's like becoming partners in the garden, working more together. And when you're sick, or when your partner is sick, go ahead on and take a little extra initiative. She's been picking me up off the couch and all of that stuff today. So just do a little bit more because it doesn't last always. And I'm sure when you're behind on house duties, I have to do a little bit more sweeping for Miss Pregnant Girl. So that's it for the garden chat, and that's really what I wanted to talk about. Was just it's okay to get a little bit more help when you need it, because she knows I'm going to do a little work. When I get back, I'll probably be behind on all the grass. So I already got grass coming out. I can't bend over, but I'll let Bev come in. I have 2 questions if somebody can help us out, and it's on, this is a bell pepper. Slide to the side, baby. This is a bell pepper plant, and it's rained for it rained hard the other night. Everything else is doing good. Our tomatoes, if you see our tomatoes to the left of this, we're beautiful tomatoes, and we have tomatoes to the right, but for some reason this bell pepper, and you can see all the blossoms and everything that it had on it, like it was ready to explode, but for some reason it's done like a wilt. Is there a wilt disease? Come over to this tomato. So we're trying to see, is this a type of disease? Because we have other plants that we could actually put in these spaces. This tomato plant, it happened to this one first, and it's been like this for maybe a week, a little over a week, but because it had these fruit on it, I really didn't want to mess with it. But just let us know if you've had this. It's probably a pull up and plant thing. So that's it. I'm sorry. I don't know what else I had planned or what God had planned for today's video, and I'm starting to bleed. So y'all have a good day. Thank y'all for watching Louisiana Garden Family. God bless y'all, and I'll be back in front of this camera very, very soon. Peace and quiet. Grow, grow, grow.